Annyeong. Hi, konnichiwa. This is Diaries of an Iconic. And once again, I'm back in Jakarta to watch the GUDFest because iKON's gonna be there. And there's my friend. Say hi.
Hi.
So see, she's already in her sleeping outfit because she's ready to sleep. We're going to the venue at 3 a.m. later. So yeah. I actually went to the venue, but they don't allow us to go inside. We have to go back before it reaches 5 a.m. So are we going to wait here or are we going to go back to our room?
Yeah.
Go back to our room. We can sleep for 1 hour. Yeah, so even if we're already very ready to have a war, we have the staff is not ready to have a war with us. And we're back at the venue. Because they said there are 30 people already waiting here.
Come on!
We didn't go inside because they said the taxi cannot go in, but people can go in afterwards. Oh. So we should have went here, right? Yes. We're back.
I thought you want to take a selfie.
You see, my main guest in almost every vlog that I have. It's your 4th time, right? Yeah, 4th time in my vlog. And
Korea, Bobby, ASS. This one.
So many times. So now we're going to do a bag race. Yes, this is the bag, her bag. We will do a bag. And what's inside your bag? Show your bag. It's her iKON bag.
This is the most important thing.
The most, yeah, it's a towel. Not to bathe, to sleep. Fun bag. Very important. You need that when it's dark.
Yeah.
It's the light. What else? Go inside.
This one.
What is it? So many. Inside her mini iKONIC. All June. So much June. Water.
Yeah.
The only non-iKON thing is her bag. What else? She even
For my friend. For my friend. This is the most important power bank.
Power bank. And her wallet. Most important. What else? Nothing more.
Nothing more.
This one, what's this? Oh, it's your
camera.
It's important as well. How about you? What's inside your bag?
Only slogan.
Okay. Can you show?
Should I show it?
Yeah, you should show your stuff in your bag. Show me the bag.
Of course. Slogan. Another water bottle.
You see, her makeup is very important. It's occupying the weight of her bag. Inside her bag. What else? Her wallet is very big.
That's all.
That's all for her bag. Don't check my bag anymore. We did the bag race before. Who is that? I thought it's a sign.
Me again.
Yo, look at my bag. It's not ready. Okay, so here's Vicky.
Hi.
And we're going to do a bag race. Can you show us?
It's already
Her bag. Yes. And then
slogan. Everyone has this.
wow. No, Mexico. You know,
we brought the same tone. Icon.
You're going to bathe together.
Master name.
And what's that? Oh, it's a fan. Hi, I'm a fan. Bobby fan. Wow, cool. It's a mirror. Let's see if I can see myself. Halloween. I thought it's a ghost. So that's all in her bag. But too much makeup. No makeup.
Come on.
Makeup.
그대의 손길은 향기로운 로션 건조한 내 맘을 어루만
Hi, so we got tumblers. See the tumbler for free from the VIP ticket. And this is the
30. Kamu berapa? Aku 32.
and the VIP ticket as well.
Di depan tas putih itu kan? Iya, kamu di belakang Rana.
I'm on VIP, but excuse me, too many people already.
그대
Back in my vlog.
See ya.
What are we doing here? We're selling this.
Selling slogan.
Show
A bunch of slogans. Happy to see you again.
난 모르게 해줘요 너무 사랑해서 자랑하고 싶은 그런 사람 만나도 난 모르겠어요 너만큼 애틋한
Oh my god, it's going to rain and I can feel the drizzles. But rain or shine, we're here. Everyone's wearing raincoats.
Jakarta! Let's go. Yeah. Never return. Come on, let's do it again. 크게 환호해. 자유 느끼게 해. 이제 새로운 시대. 지우지 못할 추억이 됐다 원하는 멜로드라마 괜찮은 결말 그거면 됐다 널 사랑했다 느끼면 넌 당연히 여기 처음부터 우린 하나밖에 몰랐어 설렘이 익숙해질 때 사랑을 정으로 알고 정보다 우정이 내게는 중요할 때쯤 헤어지기를 원했던 내가 이 노래조차 있어도 너에 관한 얘기를 했거든 내가 듣고 떠날게 Jakarta, always this energy, always giving me this fire energy, y'all. Thank you very much, man. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the energy to the next level. How about that? One step higher, one step higher. Let's go. Who's here to party? Who's here to party? So Gina always want to say that as your response, like depending on your height level, we're gonna consider to couple more. It's an example of anything, you know what I mean? So y'all should better party hard, you know? Yeah, man. So here's our next song. Yes. Dumb and Dumber. Get down. Better than them. Make some noise! Yes, sir! Are we ready yet? Thank you so much for partying in Jakarta. Have a wonderful evening. We won! Bye. Thank you, Jakarta.
Juni akhirnya mimpi gua terwujud.
Know who we are? Icon.
Hi. We look so lonely. Do you think it's fun?
It's fun. It's icon.
Of course.
But
It took so long for us to wait. Since what? Yeah, since what time? And we came back here in the hotel for how many times? And
I can't remember how many times I get back from the helipad to
here. But at least we were able to go back here, right? The last time we were just sitting there, but because that time we're sitting there, our space is like everything is organized. Now it's like everything's a mess. So messy. It was so messy, but
However, we were able to. I was number 33. She was number 32, but we were able to be in the barricade near the center. And Jinan wave at her. Congratulations. Yeah. And you know what's more touching is when Bobby said, "Thank you for your worries. Thank you for everything." So, until the next Diaries of an Iconic. Bye.